a tricky one, a potential banana peel as the two sides get pre-match formalities out of the way. What you will notice immediately is the contrast between the teams in terms of the player personnel. Very familiar for Orlando Pirates this evening, despite the fact that they reinforced during the off-season. None of the new players make the 11, and there's just one new face in the matchday squad as a whole, with Tuso Moleleki included. Former Supersport United men Patrick Maswangani and Talent Mbata are in the midfield for Orlando Pirates this evening.
Well
cut out by Vincent Pule, and he slipped it through here for Bradley Grobler. Has a great record against Pirates this time, has fired it over. He's looking to hit double figures against the Buccaneers. 9 goals he scored against them in the last 10 years, but never in this competition.
Yeah, a bit of a jittery here from Sesani. Normally that's his strength, playing out from the back. Has that diagonals and a good pass off the ball there, but Bradley Grobler trying to pounce on his mistake.
From Puchapol, still it's not away. Grobler might have an opportunity. Too many bodies in the way. Those games when they are the first game of the season, as Mabasa drives it forward. He's found Mufokeng. And Mufokeng cuts inside as Supersport United now look to spring a counter quickly out of the feet of Mahaman. And Pule does have an opportunity here. Oh, not able to get it right.
Yeah, just trying to rush it a bit there, Vincent Pule. Got it under control, but immediately had a number of bodies around him. Managed to get the shot away, nevertheless. Let's see this opportunity here. This is what Paul brings to this midfield. A lot of bite there. It allows Mahaman to play a little bit forward, and we'll see Mahaman threading through the pass for Pule. Just an awkward bounce there. Needed the extra touch to get it under control, and gave the Orlando Pirates defense an opportunity to close him down.
Significant waves in South African football as Coach Rivera, after being plucked from what you would say is the relative obscurity of Interturku in Finland. Lovely play from Orlando Pirates here. Finally they get it moving. Chance placed over! Oh, Mufokeng. He'll know that he should have done much better with that. Some silky Buccaneers play to set him up. Can't apply the finishing touch.
That's what they've been waiting for. That man in your picture, Maswangani, turned on the magic. Started with a bit of showboating, but then became effective immediately there. Just getting the car on his side. Forward pass, 1-2, gets it again. A lot of mobility. Continued his run. Great movement from the front three. Totally opening up that defense for Supersport United. Brilliant one-touch there. Continues his run, Maswangani, and it's Mufokeng. What a goal that would fought his way back into the side.
Now Mabasa, big chance, good save from Goss. Oh, he's so dangerous with his back to goal, that ability to turn with the ball and fire something away. Corner. What can Mufokeng muster? That one fizzes across the face and has landed here from Monopule Saleng. Square ball. Oh, what a beautiful finish from the newly installed skipper, Olise Nda. Finds the Buccaneers breakthrough.
The start for the newly appointed captain, or the captain of the evening. That was the initial cross there. Saleng picking up the pieces there. A brilliant dummy. A cross with a weaker foot. And composure personified from the lanky defender.
Falling down. What an exquisite finish from the centre half. Now they're looking for another. Chops back inside as he loves to do. Oh, that is flashed across the face from Monopule Saleng. Half-time approached. So he's managed to see his teams keep 5 clean sheets. Bradley Grobler, clever! Oh! Supersport United have hit back! Vincent Pule declines to celebrate against his former team, but what an impact he has had against the Buccaneers early in this second period.
Stunned. That is Orlando Pirates. No answers. It was a direct attack. That man, Vincent Pule, got the vital touch, got the equalizer. But it all started with Tlatsoayo. Look at the intelligence of Bradley Grobler, just peeling off to the far post. Played it on to Vincent Pule. I tell you what, showed a lot of bravery there, because as you're coming, you expect that goalkeeper to come through. And there you have it, all the respect.
A rather poor season. He was the bright light as Monopule Saleng rolls it into the path here of Maswan Gania. Comes back to Mufokeng, deflected effort. Oh, Ricardo Goss had to swat it off the line. Did it cross? Abongile Tom allows play to continue.
Goss pulled off what seemed to be a save. Brilliant pullback here as he had a touch. Mufokeng deflected. Let's have a better look at that. Brilliant agility there. Did look like he stopped it before the line from this angle. Let's have a better look there, Grant. And that's a close call. But remember, the entire circumference.
Still he continues on with his left. Oh, Ricardo Goss again with a wonderful save.
Bit of a fist bump there. Brilliant touch here from Mufokeng. Gave time, has the advantage, is in the box. A brilliant strike there, a deflection from Sanoka, and another important save from Goss. And you're pulling the strings there, brilliant in-swinging cross, and Mabasa just got a little too much on that one. No one needed a bit of a deft touch there to angle it on target, and Orlando Pirates
to their full complement as Orlando Pirates go on the offensive once again. Breaks for Maswan Gani. He trips at the most inopportune moment. Abongile Tom was right there. Now, was he impeded?
Let's see Sanoka. No, I think he went down on his own there. Felt like the ball was getting away from him there, Maswan Gani. Look at that touch. After that second touch, already on his way down. Intelligently, Tlatsoayo lifting his hands up.
Time being though, it's Orlando Pirates getting forward with Saleng. Chops inside beautifully, teasing Sanoka. Great save from Goss. Oh! And the follow-up has stayed out as well. Ricardo Goss, who's been on fire today.
And Saleng having a field day on the opposite flank there. We can see Mabasa, not the easiest of techniques to execute. And just straight wide of the goal. As Orlando Pirates continue.
Taking it now to extra time. He made some truly stunning. Maswangani for Dlamini, who crosses long to the back post. Brilliantly done. Oh, that is amazingly worked. And Saleng finishes it off with that tap in. Orlando Pirates have re-established their advantage. Supersport United caught out within the first couple minutes of extra time.
Celebrations are a little bit sweeter because when that comes off the training field and you execute it at an official game, it is so much sweeter. Brilliant run there from Dlamini. Came in as a substitute, knew his job, and it was that man Saleng that deserved the goal this evening at the far post. I don't think he's going to get an easier goal. I don't think he's ever scored an easy goal like that. A bit of a tap in there, but a brilliant ball played in from Dlamini. And to tap it home was Monopule Saleng, the provider of the first goal for Orlando Pirates.
Pule's lined up the free kick. A flick from Tyson at the back post. Sesane seemed to be a hand involved. It's away now, and Orlando Pirates have an opportunity to settle this with Saleng. He's upended, but there was nothing wrong with the challenge, says Abongile Tom, who tore upfield so that he could preside over anything that might happen. You have 15, and then there's Mamelodi Sundowns way back with 4. But if you think about it, back in 2019, when Supersport last won this, as the ball goes in, and oh man, falls so kindly for Nico Mobia, but Sito Chain, when called upon, has come up with the answer. Lapses of concentration becoming evident.
And done extremely well to get their cross in there. Nico Mobi rushing in at the far post. Chose to use the side footing as opposed to blast your laces through that one. Supersport will continue to knock on that door until the final whistle goes.
Maswangani threading it through for Saleng, who was onside, and then straight home from distance into the empty net to surely wrap it up. Evidence Mahopa deals the telling blow.
Let's see what transpired here. Brilliant first-time ball from Mbata. It's Maswangani that threads through the pass there from Saleng. Brilliant stuff from Goss, and Mahopa on hand to pounce. Brilliant stuff there. A hint of offside there. That is why Gavin Hunt got the red card, remonstrating. But it is Mahopa with the follow-up. Excellent from Goss for the first save, but he couldn't stop Mahopa. That gets the third for Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, certainly a suggestion of offside there in the build-up, but Evans Mahopa showing great composure to stroke it into the empty net and ping forward. Maswangani just Baloy with him. Now more have joined the defence, and Dlamini strikes the upright. Kimbuidi hits it straight at Goss.
What would have been the nail in the coffin there. Excellent work from Mahopa. Composure in the box here from Maswangani, picking out Dlamini. Just couldn't beat the footwork there. Excellent disguise attempt, and Kimbuidi, not enough power propelled behind.
Necessary at this point, and there is the final whistle. Orlando Pirates get the job done after some worrying moments midway.